Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a case and screen protector I got from Amazon. So this one here is the JETech case with MagSafe, and this is for the iPhone 16 Pro. And I've also got an Amfilm tempered glass screen protector to put on the phone as well. I've used both of these brands before, and last year I had the Pixel 8 Pro and I used the JETech case, which was this one. I don't know if you can see quite on the camera, but it did yellow a bit, but I actually really liked this case because I loved how it felt in the hand, and the MagSafe was really strong. So I actually only got this case from Amazon just to put something on my phone while I'm waiting for my other case that I ordered, which is a mouse case, which I'll be doing a review on that one as well. But that case isn't going to be here until later in the week, and I just wanted to get something quick that's going to protect my new phone. So I thought I'd quickly order something off Amazon. This case here cost about $15 Australian and it was delivered in 2 days. And these screen protectors, which I also had on my Pixel 8 Pro, I think they're about $14. These screen protectors are really great. So as I said, I had this on my Pixel 8 Pro, which I have now given that phone to my husband, and it still has the same screen protector on it and it still looks perfect. And you actually get 2 in the case. Well, we did with the Pixel 8 Pro. So you can see here, you get 2 in the pack as well. So yeah, this is just gonna be my temporary case until I get my new mouse case, but let's check it out and see what it's like. Let's open it up. I also got this one in the black clear because my other one, which was just the full clear, did go yellow. So I thought if I got it with the black tint, it would look a little bit better over time. So this is just the clear with the black edging, which should still look okay. So let's move that out the way and we'll put this on my phone. And so you can see here, we have the MagSafe and we've got the buttons which are covered and the power button and the camera control. So let's just test out the buttons. So that has a nice click to it. So that's good. And the volume. So those buttons work great. And yeah, all the buttons work really good. Let's test out the camera control. So you can see the zoom works good. So yeah, the camera control is pretty good. You can see it goes up on a bit of an angle, but it seems to work pretty well. You can also see here there's a raised edge all the way around. So when you put your phone down on the table, you're not gonna scratch your screen. And there's also, this is raised, which is good, so your cameras won't be rubbing on the table. Just check out the strength of the MagSafe. So yeah, that's nice and strong. Just like my other case, the magnet on it was really strong as well. And then we also have the cutouts on the bottom and they look good as well. This case seems to be pretty good, feels quite nice in the hand. So this plastic on the side seems a little bit slippery in the hand, not as grippy as this one was. So we'll see how we go with that. For $15, this is pretty cool. And I'm happy with that. It looks like it's going to protect my phone. All right, so let's jump over to the screen protector and we'll get that installed on the phone as well. So this is tempered glass. It's meant to be scratch resistant, which from my other one, I've had it for like 8 months now, I think, and it looks pretty good. Not really any scratches on it. And this comes with the Easy Fit kit, which is really good. It makes it super easy to get it on. So in the box, you get the dust removal sheets, and then you get 2 kits because yeah, it's a 2-pack. Screen protector, installation accessory, I guess that's a little scrubber to push it down. We have an installation guide, and that's for the second pack. Oh, and you also get a little camera protector. I'm not sure if I'll put that on yet, but I might put it on just to test it out, but we'll see. And then yeah, you get 2 camera protectors. Okay, so this is what you put on your phone, and the blue bit is the screen protector. Have a quick look at the installation guide. Oh, they actually had a microfiber cloth in the packet. I was using my own one. That's okay. These are dust removal stickers and the wet wipe. So this is the dust remover film. Just getting all the air bubbles out. Whoop. The top of the phone, so it says top. And then we're going to rub our finger down. And then to get rid of any bubbles, we use this. So you can see it's actually like spreading to the edges. Screen protectors have gotten so much easier. They used to be so hard. Oh, hold on, there's a little bubble there, I can see it. You should probably actually turn your phone off when you're doing this so the screen's black so you can see better. Tiny little bubble there, I don't know if you can see it, just near the 3 on the date there. There's a slight little bubble, so I think a little bit of dust got in there. But apart from that, it's perfect. I'll show you the camera cover. I don't know if I'll keep it on, but we'll also just do that real quick. What it looks like with the camera cover on it. So at least now it's all flush, and when you rest it on the table, you're not resting on the actual camera. So might leave it on for a bit, see if I like it or not. And so now that's actually a lot flatter. So yeah, that is the JETech iPhone 16 Pro case and the AmFilm screen protector. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I will also be doing a review on the mouse case when that comes, and I'll be doing a lot of other content on my new iPhone 16 Pro. So we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.